Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to resolve the GPU render error issue in Premiere Pro using multiple methods. Suppose I want to render this timeline, but it's showing this error message. The first solution to fix the GPU render error inside Premiere Pro is very simple. Go ahead and close the software completely, then launch it again. If that doesn't work, try rebooting your computer, since this is known to fix many random bugs inside Premiere. Solution number 2 is to check the timecode. Inside the error message that pops up, you'll usually see a section called Around Timecode. In my case, it shows around 16 seconds. To go to that exact moment, click on the time, then type 16 in the seconds field. This will take us to the exact time that we entered. Once I'm there, I notice that a clip starts exactly at that point. This usually indicates that this specific clip is triggering the error. In this situation, you can try deleting the clip, re-editing it, or if you've applied any effects, color presets, or sound effects, try removing those effects and rendering again. To remove any effects, go to Effect Controls and find the effect. Now right-click on the effect, then click on Clear. Try to render one more time to see if it works or not. Now let's move on to the third solution. The third solution is more of a workaround. Open the Export window, go to the Video tab, click on More, scroll down to Encoding Settings, and set Performance to Software Encoding. Then click Export. Keep in mind that using software encoding will increase processing time since your system will rely only on the CPU with no help from the GPU. The fourth solution is a classic one and is known to solve many Premiere Pro issues. Create a new sequence from your clip. Right-click the Sequence tab, click Reveal Sequence in Project, then right-click the sequence in the Project panel and choose New Sequence from Clip. Once the new sequence is created, delete the existing contents on the timeline. Now go back to the old sequence, select all the clips and copy them by pressing Ctrl-C. Switch to the new sequence and paste them using Ctrl-V. After doing this, you may need to readjust your audio levels. The fifth solution is a bit creative, but it has worked for some people online. Unplug any external monitor. To do this, go to the Export menu, click on Export, and immediately unplug your external display while the process starts. I know this is an odd one, but it has worked for some people, so I just wanted to let you know that you can try this method as well. So you can try all these methods and see which one works for you. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.